like this one?
Yeah, like that. Is that Maxi Cozy?
100 to 150 Maxi Cozy.
Yeah, like that, mahal. Oh. New upuan para kay Nathan. Maliit na kasi yung upuan niya. Kaya kailangan na pong palitan. That one is a good brand. How much is that? Cybex.
But what size is
Po, come here. Which one?
this one? Is the same size.
No, that's for when you watch phone in the auto.
What?
Go to Papa, look. For your new chair.
A very big one, that one. I think I like the other one more.
Big one, this one. But you know, if it's good that he can sit good like this one is more
Yeah, but
foamy.
Look.
Ah. Maganda kasi ang
It
Cybex
just falls
niya.
apart. Yeah, but it's like it's not straight.
Yeah.
I don't know. It looks like it's, you know, like this one is not good.
Try to sit. Like that. And this one daw, this one. Itong isa. What?
Look, my other have like this too. That one in the back.
Yeah. Ito mas maganda to, guys.
So.
Yeah, like that?
Yeah.
Better?
Yeah, babe.
Masyadong masikip to.
Oh, vrij hoog.
Yeah.
Then let's
So
get
this,
this
yeah,
one.
let that one na.
Yeah.
Yay! May bagong upuan ng Bebe Love. Uy, for the baby yan. You're not a baby anymore. Bayad na tayo. You know, you have that before.
Why?
Because you were a baby.
Kan ik heel graag gekke kijken naar jou.
Yeah. Kami, palagi kami dito dati, guys. Pa.
Een heel plekje, dan kan je uitlopen, omdat dat is een huis.
Pwede ka daw maglabas dyan, sabi ni Nathan. Yung kay Lucas, guys, andoon pa rin kay Bianan. Hindi pa rin po namin na ano yun, nabenta or ewan ano nga gawin natin doon. Hindi pa kami ready na mag ano po nun. May bago pala sila, guys. Yung nasa box pa. Look, for all the babies in the world. Yun na yun. Yun na talaga yun. Bukas yun na mapanood ang ano, continuation.
Rice and the beef?
No, not yet. Pa-flex lang, B. Bago natin tapusin ang vlog, guys. We have sisig. Hindi pa nainit. Initin pa yan. Sisig from Precious. Luto ko na escabeche isda. At pakbet. Galing sa party natin kahapon sa Halloween party.
Mag ik nu kip?
Wait lang. Enjoy, family. Salamat sa mga pa-bring home. Ang isa, escabeche.
Do you have chili?
Silly?
Do you think it's nice with sriracha?
Yeah, I don't know. Like that. Very good, Bebe Love. And then the paprika. The gulay. Like that. Enjoy. Kain, guys. Bye-bye na. Bukas na naman. You practice already. Kay kahapon nag-uwi ka. Anong ginawa mo kahapon nag-uwi ka? Baliktad ang sapatos mo ngayon. Oh, which one? Which one is good? Are you sure? Look first. Very good. Oh, dali na.
Look first.
Mamaya pag-uwi mo, pag ang sapatos mo, very good. Merong ibigay sa'yo si mama. Very yummy. Can you get these vitamins, please? Vitamins. I love you. Bye-bye. Enjoy school. Sige na, kalit ka na. Wala nang I love you, I love you. Bye-bye, love you. Bye, baby love. Bye-bye, see you. Alis na. Bye. Diyos ko, baha na naman. Ano na ang nangyayari sa mundo? Kawawa ba? Kadami ko pong nakita sa Facebook. Ang Cebu, grabe ang baha. Halos maglagpas na po na sa mga bahay. Lagpas na siya. Pero sa mga second floor, hindi pa ba? Yung mga hindi second floor, grabe katakot. Diyos ko. Ay na lang. Ingat in tawon kayo dyan, guys. Kain na muna ako. Yung tira po na escabeche kagabi. Luto ko. Si Dayan nga, minessage ko ang pamilya niya. Kamusta na kaya sa Cebu? Diyos ko, Lord. Sa flood control din ba yan, guys? Masisi din ba natin sila dyan? Hindi na may mga ginagawa nila sa ano, sa mga Pilipino, eh. Daw, makaiyak ako ngayon ba? Taas ko na ng ano, ng paa. Grabe ko kabad trip sa mister ko. Parant lang, guys. Nainis ako. Ganyan din ba ang mga mister nyo? Pag may hinahanap sila, na sila naman ang naglagay sa kung saan, tapos tayo ang hanapan, tapos pag hinanapan tayo, parang tayo pa ang may kasalanan kung saan-saan natin na ilagay. Kasi may hinahanap siya kanina yung pang ano ba, pang seal ng baunan. Yung pang vacuum ng baunan. Sabi ko na sa kanya, hindi ko alam. Sa hanap siya ng hanap, hinahanap ko din. Nawala na ako ng gana kumain, guys. Gutom na gutom ako kanina, pero parang na-high blood ako ngayon. Tapos ngayon, may tanong na naman siya. Sabi niya na, nakita mo yung ano? Sabi ko, hindi ko nga alam. Tinutulungan ko siya maghanap ba? Sabi ko, hindi ko nga alam. Sabi ko, hindi ko nga alam kung ano yung pinagsasabi mo. Alam niyo anong sabi niya? O so, baka natapon mo kasi hindi mo alam kung ano ang sinasabi ko. Bagting. Alam yung parang bell? Bagting kung sa Bisaya. Parang nag-bell ba? Nakalakas. Boom! Nagganon talaga. Bad trip. Bad trip ako. Nakita niya din kung saan niya nilagay. Ang ibig kong sabihin, hindi ko, kasarap budo. Parang nawala ang kabatripan ko. Ang ibig kong sabihin, hindi ko alam kung anong sinasabi niya. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ko nakita o hindi ko nalagay sa kahit ano. Tapos nag-conclude siya. Nasabi niya, so natapon mo kasi sinasabi mo na hindi mo alam kung ano yung Bad trip. Ganyan din ang mga mister nyo, yung ano sila ng mga gamit, maghanap ng tayo ang hanapan. Kaya kung ako yun, tapos tinanong niya, alam ko kung saan ko nilagay, alam ko kung saan ko hanapin. Hindi ko man talaga nakita. Grabe ka sarap. Totohanan na escabeche, guys. Sinatan, sarap na sarap din po kagabi. Gusto ko sana magbili ulit ng pompret. Pauwi naman tayo ng Pilipinas. Ikain ko na itong inis ko. Kaya grabe talagang inis ko. May lakad sana kami ngayon. Wala na lang. Saka bad trip. Sorry, good siya, Sorry siya. Message pa siya. Sabi niya, ayaw niya daw. Sabi niya, mag-message daw ako pag ready na daw ako makipag-usap sa kanya. Kaya ayaw niya daw makipag-usap kung ano daw, hindi ko daw siya pinapansin. Ganun. Sabi ko, ayaw ko din makipag-usap sa tao na pasanginlan ako. I-blame ako na sa na hindi ko ginawa. Sorry siya. Sorry, hindi. Ako pang i-blackmail niya. Na. Grabe good sorry niya. Nakatatlong sorry siya. Tagam. Ako pa talagang anuhin niya, guys. Hindi tayo magpapatalo. Alam niyo naman na always right tayo. Nakalimang sorry na siya. Bad trip, Alam niyo yung wala kang ginawa. Tapos kaaga-aga. Kanina, yung hindi na ako masyadong nakapag-vlog kaya na bad trip na ako. Kaaga-aga pa, tapos magbiro ka na sa lasing, wag lang sa bagong gising. Sabihan ka na. Sorry lang, guys, parant lang talaga kaya na bad trip ako. Sa mga nagtatanong, Hindi guys, nag-aaway din pala kayo ni Dudong Danielis. Uy, hindi away, yung away na sigawan, ganun. Ganito lang ba yung hindi magkaintindihan? Kaya mali ang pagkasabi. Tagam. Ano bang tagam? Ano bang tagam sa Tagalog guys? Paki-translate nga dyan. Buti nga sa'yo. Tagam. Ako pa ang i-blackmail niya na ayaw niya makipag-usap kung hindi ko siya kausapin. Hindi pwede yung ganyan ha. Hindi pwede sa akin yung ganyan. Lalo na pag alam ko na wala akong kasalanan, hindi talaga ako maglapit sa'yo. Pero pag alam ko na kasalanan ko, maglapit ako. Pero pag, ano man, relate kayo dyan. Sinong budget sa mga mister dyan ngayon? Kaganda ng gising namin kanina. Super ganda. Kiss-kiss, hug-hug. Tapos pagbaba halburuto sa Inday Garnet, guys. Sarap ang pumplet. Uy! Magpaganda nga ako at magpabango kaya alam ko pagdating nun maglapit yun sa akin. Kasi na-realize niya na mali siya, guys. Tapos, yun na nga.
You want coffee?
Yes, please.
You coming downstairs?
Why?
So we can drink coffee together. Or you want me to bring it upstairs and come to bed with you?
I'm going there.
Yes. Because Mahal, I miss you. That's why.
Yan din ang pinakayaw ko. Alam yung parang walang nangyari. Mabisit ako. Mabisit ako pag ganyan. Yung may ginawa ka. Tapos ano. Kuhaan ka na parang walang nangyari.
This maybe. I love you.
Hi, man. You're sorry?
Very sorry.
Next time, ha? Wala na. Parang wala rin pinuntahan yung pag-high blood ko. Ibigan na kami ulit. Amoy isda pa ako pag kiss-kiss niya sa akin. Buti nga sa kanya. Yan ang makuha niya. Pag ginaganyan niya ako sa umaga. Mabaho na misis. May na ako magano guys. Mamaya na po ako magpabango at magpaganda. Sila Nathan siguro yan. Anong oras na ba? Parang maaga pa man. Tagam siya guys. Kita nyo. Yan lang di ang kagandahan. Kay ano ba? Nagsuri siya. Punta na naman siya sa akin. Sorry na naman siya guys. Yan Nathan mo ha. Make that super yummy ha. You know, I asked the subscribers if their husband is also like that. Because I know that their husband is also like that. When they put something somewhere and then they will ask the wife. And then it's the...
I asked the wife, do you know where it is? That's what I asked the wife.
That's not what you asked, huh?
Yes, it is.
Ah! You said, so you threw it away because you don't know what it is.
Only after you are going on and on and on like that.
Now it's still my fault. No, let's not talk anymore. Let's no.
The way you're talking about it makes you sound guilty. That's why. But if you were not talking about it like you're guilty, I would not say that.
Wow! Now you are not forgiven. I changed my mind.
Okay, so you don't want coffee?
No need. I can make myself.
Okay.
It's good habit. You went to me. I was about to go somewhere to meditate and to.
Where?
I don't know. Just to meditate myself and to.
Where? Outside?
Yeah.
Oh, do that. Go do that. Then I can work on my desk in the garage.
To meditate and have peace of mind.
Ma, go
And
meditate and have peace of mind. I can work in the garage.
May ginagawa kasi yan siya. Pakita ko sa inyo. How far are you with the...
I will make some noise in 3, 2, 1.
How far are you with the thing, Mahal? The one you're making?
prepared everything. I cut the grooves, I cut the screw holes, and I have the insides also cut to size. And this is the first panel.
What are you trying to make? A desk? A computer desk?
Yes.
Oh.
So this one will stand here. Then there will be one here and one here, and then another one there. So I can put stuff in here on the side. That will be where you cannot reach. You need to do it under the desk. You know, a normal person will do it on the side, but I do under because I cannot reach upstairs where it will be. And then it will have this top. But you know, after this is all done, I still need to.
I'll show them upstairs.
To finish.
What I mean, because you use the table that we have before, right?
Yeah.
And you bought the second-hand table.
That is still a table that I bought in Gouda.
Yeah.
I bought two cheap small tables, and one I used to make a drawer that goes under the slanted roof in the previous house. It's still there. The other table I'm using now.
We're going upstairs. I'll show them that you're cleaning there. Naalala nyo, magsama-sama din. Sama-sama? Where are you going?
Why are you showing my man cave? It's my private,
because you remember,
property.
You remember, guys, that I told you he bought a second-hand table. So the second-hand table is here now. I'll show you. How much did you buy that, mahal?
15 euros.
Huh?
Very cheap.
This one, 15 euros.
But it's 15 euros because, look, if you want to use it as a normal table, you need to refinish it. See, it's not looking nice anymore.
Yeah.
But I'll always have this one on it, so I didn't feel like refinishing this table.
So,
I can just do this.
The one that I showed you, the table that was here, he will use for the desk that he's making. And the desk will be here. This one. Why, you don't like this?
No, it's no good. Because right now I have a big empty space here. And also I cannot open these drawers.
Yeah, you're right.
So the desk I will put here. And then where I can put stuff will be under the desk here. Because having drawers that open to the front of you doesn't work when here's already a big...
My husband is carpenter now. Not electrical engineer anymore. He's a carpenter now, guys. And look. Super clean here.
And then if I have that, I can finally move this thing too.
Naglinis po siya dito. Sige. You are forgiven, ha? You are forgiven.
Yeah. You know, I'm working on this, I think.
You know, I made myself smell like this, so... smell like fish.
Yeah.
So, you will kiss your wife and she's baho. That's what you get. When you're making me fun. I always smell like...
Every time you cook, you smell like this.
Sige na, guys. So, ibaba na muna kami.
Maybe I should just make the coffee not nice because you smell like this.
Tapos, binablockmail niya ako kanina. Itsura rin na Garnet, oh. Ano man yan? Si Dayan nag-message na, guys. Kausap ko po siya ngayon. Kinumusta ko nga ang pamilya niya sa Cebu. Guys, andito na yung gagawa ng harap ng bahay. Andito na po sila yung galing sa gobyerno. Kasi, di ba?
Dig up the...
dig up there. Kaya hindi po tinart ni Daniel yung sasakyan dito kasi sinabihan na kami kahapon na magtrabaho po sila dyan. Di ba may pakulay po dyan na color yellow yung yung nagsipsip ng mga dumi dito kay di ba nag-stack po yung mga dumi. Because there, mahal, it went down.
The pipe is going like this and then when it comes to that point, it's going like this.
That's why we had the clogs. But you know what I'm thinking? That's the reason that we had the thing upstairs too. Because it could not go down anymore.
No.
Oh no, okay.
The reason was because the thing that was on there, it went down because of vibrations over time. And then, you know, because even when we're just flushing the washing machine, it's all just flowing out there because there's no connection. There were two pipes that were not connected.
So after this, it will be all good, mahal?
Should be.
And then they will still do our shower and also this one.
Well, they won't.
Oh yeah, they won't. But we need to ask someone
the
again.
shower will be done by the bathroom, and then I will call the insurance for the other thing.
Look guys, look. Ayusin pa yan nila. Tingnan nyo ang nangyari dyan. At yung amin namang bathroom, ganun pa din. Still alive and kicking. Kita ko po sa inyo. Ganyan pa din siya, guys. Pero soon, pag naayos na nga yan nila dyan, next week may pupunta para mag-ayos naman yan. Ayusin na itong bahay kasi normal ang mga pangyayari. Buti na lang ngayon makaligo na kami, maka-jebs, at makapaglaba. Importante. So that's how they get it, mahal. You know how? They have something to get it.
Yeah, like thorns.
Yeah. So yun na nga, magpaganda na ako, magpabango na tayo. Kay para, kiss-kiss ko ng mister ko, kay bati na kami. At saka may lakad po tayo bukas sa vlog natin. Nakaisang vlog na tayo. Away-away lang kami ni Daniel. Nakaisang vlog na tayo. Abangan po yan sa vlog bukas nung may pupuntahan tayo, guys. Very important matter. Ang isa po sa aking pangarap, baka matutupad na. So, nalaman nyo na sa video na ito na si Inday Garnet, kahit magputi pa yung mata niya, pag alam ko na, itsura, bakit man yan ganyan? Pag alam ko na hindi ko kasalanan, kahit magputi pa yung mata mo dyan, hindi ako maglapit sa'yo. Pero pag kasalanan ko, tapos na-realize ko, ay, maglapit agad ako sa'yo, maghingi ako ng sorry. Pag ganyan, pabibi ka. Blackmail mo ako na hindi mo ako pansinin. Kung hindi kita pansinin, walang ganyanan. Pagkasabi niya kasi talaga, ang term niya, sabi niya, just come to me if you are ready to talk to me because I don't want to talk to someone who ignores me. Yan yung term niya. Ignore. Na-in-ignore ko dahil hindi ko man siya pinapansin kanina. Tapos, binalikan ko siya. Sabi ko, ayaw ko ding makipag-usap sa mga tao na ganun. Yung sinabi ko kanina. Ay, sorry. Now I understand. Pabayaan nyo na muna yung buhok ko, guys. Kasi may nilagay po ako kagabi. Para sa mga hairful po na naman. No? Nabalikan siya. Doon siya nagkamali. Nagkamali siya ng kinalaban niya. Tapusin na natin itong mga kabuang natin for today's vlog. Nag-enjoy naman kayo sa mga init ng ulo today, guys. Nag-enjoy naman kayo na nag-init ang ulo ni Inday Garnet nyo. Abangan bukas kung saan tayo pupunta. Isa sa pangarap ni Inday Garnet. Baka matupad. Baka lang naman. We love you guys. See you again tomorrow kung hindi absent. Bye! Sunscreen po yan.